What is going on YouTube? David Wong back again today. And if you clicked on this video, it means you're curious to learn how you can make passive income on the internet. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the key secrets on how to do just that. And this will be applicable for anybody. I mean, anybody, whether if you're a stay-at-home mom, you're currently a student, or if you have dreams of building a business that's as big as Amazon, this will work for you. Biggest misconception about passive income is that you do minimal work and money just kind of appears out of thin air. That is so far from the truth. And if you're just starting out, what you really need to do is create a machine, an income machine that you can automate, delegate to someone else, or to put a system in place that will basically run itself without you being hands-on. So let's just take Amazon for example. If Jeff Bezos decided not to show up for a year, be completely hands-off with his company, he would still be making money every 2 weeks, getting a paycheck. His net worth will still be going up. And that's basically because he has a system in place underneath him that's automated and with tasks that are delegated to people that run the system for him, that will basically work in his system. Okay? And in a sense, that would be passive income for him because he does nothing for a year and still be getting a paycheck. That is something you need to keep in perspective and in your mind if you're really serious about making passive income online, or any income online for that matter. Okay, you need to put a lot of time, a lot of money and effort into creating your vehicle that will create that income for you. Okay, you can't just buy a passive income vehicle from somewhere or someone and just put it in place on a website or something and expect money to just roll in. It doesn't work that way. So if you're really serious about this, the first thing that you'll need is a vehicle. And that is basically, what are you selling? What are you giving in exchange for someone else's money? Okay. And this can really basically just come in two forms, either a digital product or you can sell a physical product. Okay. And in this video, I'm going to talk about digital product specifically because that's what I'm trying to get into right now. I've done physical products in the past, as you probably already know, with me doing e-commerce. So anything that I talk about in this video will be relevant to both digital product and physical products. So to get started, you need a product to sell. Okay, and for digital products, there's two ways about doing this. You can either one, create your own product, which is a lot harder. I haven't done that myself yet, so I can't speak too much about it. The second way is to basically take someone else's product and resell it. It's very, very easy for you to get started. All you need to do is join a large affiliate network such as ClickBank or JVZoo, and then within these marketplaces there's over 1 million different offers for you to choose from, digital product offers for you to choose from. And you go in there, find a digital product that resonates with you, okay, with a good commission level. Typically this ranges from 50 to 75 to 90, and some of them even do 100% commission levels. And you basically promote that product. Okay, you do the marketing for that product and try to get sales of that product, and in return you earn the commission. Okay, and that is step number one. That is your vehicle. The biggest tip when it comes to choosing a product to sell is to choose one that's on the pricier side of the scale. Okay, this is called a high ticket item or a high ticket product. And the reason for this is if you have a 50% commission level or a profit margin, if you sold a $30 item, 50% of that you make 15 bucks. Okay, compare that to if you sold a high ticket item at $300, 50% of that you made 150 bucks. So instead of doing 10 $30 sales to make 150 bucks, you only made one sale to make 150 bucks. Okay, it's not always about the quantity. Okay, yes, it makes you feel good that you made a lot of sales, but you also had to sell 10 of the items in order to make 150 bucks. Okay, I'd rather you sell something, or personally I'd rather sell someone something that is of quality to them and that they find value in purchasing, so that they're actually willing to put out the 300 bucks, not to someone that's on the fence of deciding, well, $30, if I drop it, it's not really a waste, maybe I'll find value in it, maybe not, but I won't feel bad if I just lose 30 bucks, right? The second thing that you'll need to do to create a passive income machine is to be able to drive traffic to the offer. Okay, this is called the marketing machine, okay, or the marketing system. And whether that be from Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Pinterest ads, Snapchat or Instagram influencer marketing, doesn't matter. You just have to drive traffic to the offer. Now this is where a lot of people fail. They call passive income bullshit. They fall off the boat. But let me explain why. Okay, the majority of these people are trying to do it the easy way. Okay, basically what a lot of these people are doing is just driving traffic from one ad. So like, let's say I have a Facebook ad, and you click a link or you click the ad and it takes you to the offer page and it's telling you to check out and buy it already, without providing you any value or telling you really what the product is even about. Okay, do you do that? Like, if I showed up on your newsfeed trying to sell a digital product to start a business and you didn't know who the heck I was, would you pay $497? I wouldn't. I wouldn't even buy it for myself if I did that, okay? So you gotta keep that in mind. Again, that's perspective, okay? What you need to really do is to build rapport with your potential customer, with the audience, okay? What you want to do is to have the marketing system in place that gradually warms up your audience, warms up your leads to become people who will ultimately want to purchase the item when you hit them with the offer. So again, it is your perspective that will make or break your success of making passive income online, okay? That easy way definitely did work 10, 15 years ago when there weren't as many of us internet marketers online trying to sell products to everyone who has an email, okay? But now what you need to really do is to create a marketing sales funnel that will gradually warm up your audience, warm up your leads, to become excited and to be ready to bring out their credit card once you present the offer to them. So an example of what you want to do is to place a Facebook ad with a topic related to your offer, okay? And with this ad, your goal is basically to capture someone's email, okay? No strings attached. You just want them to show interest in your offer or in the topic surrounding your offer, not even specifically your offer, because you're not trying to tell them that you're selling them anything right off the bat. You want them to show interest by giving you their email, and then they enter your marketing sales funnel. So gradually over time, you'll warm up this cold lead into a warm lead, basically providing value around the topic area, getting them excited about the topic, and then ultimately hitting them with the offer, okay? And by doing so, you provided them value, you've created rapport with them so they know that you're not some scammy nobody, okay? And that they're more likely to pull out their credit card and purchase once the offer is available. And that is your marketing system, okay? Now you might be asking, what part of that is passive income? It sounds like a whole lot of work. Yeah, it's a lot of work. Like I said at the beginning of the video, money doesn't come out of thin air. You're gonna need to put time into it, you're gonna need to put money into it. But as long as you have those two things in place, your vehicle, marketing system, you basically have yourself a passive income machine, okay? If one day you decide to never touch it again, all you do is put 20 bucks a day into it of Facebook ads. You'll automatically capture emails. The person behind the email will run through your sales funnel over a couple days, get warmed up, understand your product, you provide them value, and ultimately you hit them with the offer, they make a purchase, you make 50%. That sounds pretty passive to me, and hopefully after you have one system in place, you're working on the next one, the next one, next one. You're reinvesting back into the business. All right. I hope this video gave you guys a lot of value and gave you a new perspective or a better perspective of how passive income really works. Okay. And how people like Tim Ferriss, Pat Flynn built a passive income machine that works for them. Okay. Keep in mind that you're either working for someone else, working for someone else's machine, or you create your own machine that works for you. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment if you have any questions about what I talked about today. I know it went super surface level and there's lots to go into details about. So in the meantime, just ask me in the comments and I'll answer your questions, okay? And also, as I promised, I'll be sharing you my affiliate journey with you. So over the next couple of days, I'm going to be reviewing the top 3 affiliate programs that I kind of narrowed my research down into, sharing with you my thought process, what I think about each one, and ultimately kind of decide which one I'm going to join, okay? Alright guys, see you guys in the next video. See you.